Idol, pa-chubby ka. Mas bagay sa'yo, chubby. Maraming salamat dyan sa comment mo. Thank you. Na-appreciate ko yung time, effort mo sa pag-comment. Personally, ako 45 years old. Okay na to na mababa yung body fat para wala tayong diabetes, healthy tayo. Okay yung joints ko kasi na-overuse ko yan. Kaka-basketball, kaka-working out, kaka-jiu-jitsu, boxing, karate, taekwondo, judo, surfing, triathlon, decathlon, marathon running. Diba, nag-barefoot pa ako. Ang dami kong ginawa nung kabataan ko. Nag-enjoy ako hiking, mountain climbing, surfing, jet skiing, motorcycle riding. So, yung joints ko. So, pag bumigat ako na hindi muscle, kahit muscle, hindi ako nagpapalaki ng muscle, baka sumakit yung joints. Maganda yung gumising sa umaga na wala sakit, walang ache and pain. So, thank you so much sa concern mo and do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako. Happy, healthy. I am 5'10", 170 pounds, 12% body fat, 45 years old. Thank you.